Hi teachers, it's Matthew from Griffin Education Enterprises, and in this video, Beautiful Backgrounds, Digital Papers and Other Commercial Resources Worth Using in Your TPT Products, I'm going to walk you through some of the resources that I consistently use. Now if you're unsure of where to find all of these commercial resources that you can use, hop onto the homepage of Teachers Pay Teachers, scroll right down, under Resource Types, go to See All Resource Types, scroll up and then you will see by TPT sellers, for TPT sellers. So the first commercial author that I'm going to walk you through is Rebecca B Designs. She's an Australian designer and has I believe she's got a distinctive style to her products that you can't see in other TPT authors that I'll be showcasing. And that's one of the reasons why I like what she creates. She's a very creative person. I have previously purchased her frames, borders and arrows, and I've used them in my products before. She has a great range of resources and I'm sure you can find something that you can use in your products. You can really tell that a lot of extra effort has gone into her TPT products, so I highly recommend that you check her out and consider purchasing her products. So the second TPT author I'm going to show you is called Alinea V Designs and Resources. So I have predominantly used this TPT author for her borders, page borders and frames clip art. The fact that I keep coming back to using her resources in the worksheets that I create just goes to show the high quality of her products that she creates. So I highly recommend that you add her to your follow list. Another TPT author that has an amazing bundle that represents incredible value comes from Loven Lit. If you scroll down here, she has 3 of these huge sellers toolkit bundles with digital papers, borders, frames, you name it, she's got it. And she's also got 3 versions of these products. I've purchased the first one and I can tell you what, it is a massive download. You get so many resources for such a low price. So once again, another person definitely worth checking out and seeing if that does suit the resources you intend to create. And lastly, my final TPT author that I'm showing you today is Red Pepper. Now, when you do search her up, make sure you put in her name as it says there, or else TPT won't recognize it. So Red Pepper specializes in digital background papers. She is the author that I consistently go back to when I'm looking for a digital paper background in the TPT products and the frames and thumbnails that I use. So, but that's not the best thing. The best thing with this TPT author is that she is giving away all of the bundles and digital papers that she's created for free. Now the one condition that she does ask is that you make a purchase for Matthew's digital paper. So I think one of the things that she's done is, in order to support her son, she has made all of the products available on her TPT website for free. However, she would ask that you make a donation by purchasing the $10, $6, $4 or $1 digital paper. I've gone ahead and purchased the $10 Music for Matthew digital paper. So it's just a great way of supporting a TPT author who's done such a generous sort of contribution to the TPT author community. So definitely check out her stuff. I've downloaded a lot of her backgrounds and I've consistently used them. So another author well worth your time. So that's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching this in its entirety. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be making a few more videos about my TPT workflow in the future. I've got a video pin tutorial planned very soon. So keep an eye out for that. Anyway, I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching. Ciao.